Hi friends. Hi everyone. Guys, whoever has joined my live, you're supposed to say a hi so that I get to know that you all have joined in. Oh, one sec. Let me set it up. One sec. Hello. Hi, Danish. Hi, Honey. Hi, Vijay Barua. Hey, Roshni. Manish Mohanani. Welcome, guys. Their friends won't be able to watch this live on. They are in your selected audience. Ad. Uh, Yes, guys, whoever joins my live, please say hi to me because once you say hi, I will be able to, connect with you ethically. Like अगर आप मुझे हाय नहीं बोलोगे तो मैं आपका नाम नहीं ले पाऊंगी. जैसे मुझे आपका नाम मालूम पड़ेगा, मेरी एनर्जी बॉडी आपसे कनेक्ट हो पाएगी. I'll be able to heal you properly. Hi Akash Sinha, Kanishka Das Gupta, Sanket Singh, Tommy, Akash Sinha. Welcome, guys. I will start in a moment. Let people join in, guys. Let people join in. Hi, Ahishore Solomon. Welcome. Hi, Suraj Eventwala. Chirag Thakkar. Welcome. Narendra Telu, Bob, Rich Kishore, Atma Namaste, Bridge. Welcome. Hi, Tommy. Tommy, just send in a hi if you're here. Hi, Amit. I guess be able to see you all together. If at all I have to call you, I have to call you one by one. So better I heal you without seeing you. Hey Tommy, good to see you on my broad. Hi Bob Keen. How do I bring them on camera? No, if at all I bring them on camera, it's like I think just one person can be seen if I share the screen. Hi Narayan Nair, welcome. Hi Vaibhav, good to see you. Mirza Atif, welcome. Yes, guys, it's a pleasure seeing you guys here, and it will be a great healing session. Hi, Ramesh God. I'll be starting in a moment. Let people join in because people are taking time to join in, and I was late for 5 minutes. Hi, Faisal Rais Khan, Ahmad Ali Razvi. Thank you, Ramesh. How do I bring them on camera, Ahmad? Thank you, Faisal. Guys, you can also share this live and you can call in your friends, your relatives, whoever wants to join in this session. I'm good, Narendra ji. How about you? Yes, Roshni. Hi, Anirban Datta. Hi, Ganesh Shrestha. Rajan Raj, welcome. Hi, Mohit. Good to see you. What's up? Get notified also, I guess, live. Guys, please turn on your notifications now. Oh, yes. I guess you have to just join and you'll get a notification. Yes, yes, Roshni, I'll wait for people to join in because people are taking time to join in. Ramesh God, I don't understand the language that you have written. If you can comment in Hindi or English, I'll be able to, understand. Yes, Roshni, you can call in as many people you want to. They can all join in. Hi, Mash Kishan, welcome. Ankur Bansal. Yo, Mohit Champanekar. Same here. Hi, Pandurang Taware, Vishu Anand, Ghanshyam Patel, Shukla Pramod, Paresh Jain. अच्छा. Hi, Harshit Vora, Saurabh Suryavanshi. Welcome, guys. Korean Punnus, welcome. Good to see you guys. Good to see everyone here. Hi, Manoj Kumar, Ank Verma, Ajay Singh. I hope I'm audible enough, like you guys can hear me properly, because I'm not wearing any of the mics. So, hi Manmoy McEnroe, welcome. Hi Paresh Jain. Justin Borges, welcome. I'm good. How about you? Hi Rajaryan, Zunaid Mehman, welcome. Ramesh God, welcome. Oh, you're from Hyderabad. Cool. Good, that is. For any part of the world, any country, any city, you guys can join in and my energies will reach you there, It's, guys, it's a stress relief session. It's like, since it's lockdown period and due to COVID-19, people are all locked up and they can't move out. And it's such a stressful thing. It's not easy for every one of us. So I think this was like need of an hour, for me to start up with some, these kind of sessions. Rajan Raj, I've been busy with my healing sessions. Hi Siraj Singh, welcome. Hi Faisal. Vinod, hi Vinod, good to see you. How have you been, Vinod Tharan? Anup Jain, welcome. Difference between video and voice is there. I guess that's a technical glitch, guys, because I think the voice reaches you guys late. So I have no clue why that is happening. Hi Lucky Yogi, Inderjeet Sharma, welcome. Saurabh Suryavanshi, welcome. Yes, I am from Mumbai. Shukriya Inderjeet. Lucky Yogi, welcome. Satya Brahma. Hi Satya Brahma. Saurabh Kumana, welcome. Hi Anup Jain. Paresh Jain, Anup Jain. I don't know whether you guys, you guys are brothers or what. Hi Irfan, how you doing? Good to see you, Irfan. Long time. So guys, it's a request to you guys. जैसे ही मेरा healing session शुरू होगा, hi Ajay Sharma, how have you been? जैसे मेरा healing session शुरू होगा, I would want you to follow some basic protocols, like not crossing your hands and legs. You guys can see how I'm sitting. Your legs should not be crossed. Your hands should not be crossed. It should be open. You should have to be in a receptive mode. Hands like you can keep it on your lap, facing the sky. मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ राज चौधरी. 5 to 6 seconds gap. I don't know why is it happening though, but I guess as far as you can hear me. Okay, so should I start, Rosh? Hi Sunit. Oh, she's fine. How about you? Moshmi is fine, Sunit. Hi Manav Bajaj. Hi Kamal Sharma. So guys, जैसे मैं healing शुरू करूंगी, आप लोगों के हाथ पैर क्रॉस नहीं रहेंगे. If you cross your hands and legs, it's like you're crossing your aura. You're closing your aura. I don't want that auras to be closed. I want the auras to be open so that you receive my energies that I sent to you, the divine energies that I sent to you. Whatever I send you, you'll receive easily if you have your hands and legs open, And also, one more thing, you have to touch your tongue to the palate. Your tongue touching to the upper palate. Yeah, आपके तालू पे आपकी tongue को touch कीजिएगा. At least for 5 to 10 minutes, if it's comfortable for you, and deep breathe by closing your eyes. आप अपने eyes close करके deep breathe करेंगे. If you touch your tongue to the palate, you'll be more receptive.
So I guess I should be starting in a moment. Kamal used to teach yoga. Oh, okay. Good, Kamal. Good to see you here. Hi, Ravi Yadav. How have you been? Oh, yes. I'll wait for some time. Let more people join in. Or else it will be a waste, just healing few. Hi, Chandar. Good to see you. Due to interest issued, there is a voice lag. Please be in an area with full interest connectivity. What is that, Amit? I hope I am in a connectivity zone. Like my Wi-Fi signals are showing full as of now. Hi, Banti Bahel, welcome. Rahul Ranjan, welcome. Jeet Singh, welcome. Thank you, Jeet. Hi, Pratik Sharma, welcome. I'm also good, Ravi. Good to see you. Vijay Bali, welcome. Due to interest of issue, I don't know. Prem Korani, welcome. Vikas Mehra, welcome. Siddharth Gautam, good to see you. Good to see you everyone here. Hi, Krishan Kumar. Krishan Kumar, as of now, I'm too busy with my healing sessions. Hi, Sandeep Chota, good to see you. Hi, Jodeep Biswas, what's up? Long time. Hi, Kamil Sheikh, Ravi, thank you. Hi, Sharanya Kannan, welcome. Yes, Roshni is here, Kamal. Oh, you used to teach yoga. That's nice. So I have some yoga instructors here. That's really nice. ADV Nikhil. Hi, Nikhil. How have you been? Hi, Lalit Kumar. Hey, my dad is here. Good to see you. Hi, Lucky Yogi. Krishit Kumar. Hi, Pankaj Chauhan. Deepak Rana. Atul Tyagi. Rupesh Pangam. Hi, Rupesh. Always welcome, Chandar. I'm good, Prem. How about you? Hi, Husnain Jamal. Welcome. Yes, guys, अगर आपको voice lag हो रहा है, अगर आपको मेरी आवाज पहुंचने में time लग रहा है, just be in the internet zone. Like, you have to be in the zone where you get proper signals. Because, it's all technicality, We'll just pray to the angels of technology that, they should support us while, doing this session. Hi, Anshuman Swami. Good to see you. How have you been? Deepak Rana. Deepak, I'm a spiritual healer. So I've been busy with my healing sessions, curing patients for all kind of physical and psychological ailments. Any kind of blockages that they have in their finances, their careers, or their love life, or probably their health issues. I've been curing all that. Hi, Jayant Kumar Madnani, welcome. Good to see you. Hi, Anuj Rathod, Karan Pratap Yadav, Rahul Sharma. Okay, Rahul Sharma from Jammu and Kashmir. Good to see you, Rahul. There's few guys from Jammu and Kashmir, huh? Heaven on earth, Jammu and Kashmir is. Hi, Raja Nisar, Husnain. Pratik Gaikar, welcome. Sushant Kumar, welcome. Mohit Arora, Sushil Solanki, Rajiv Sharma, Deepak Rana, Shakun Rai. Welcome, guys. Krishan Kumar, just message you FB kindly and reply thanks. I didn't get you, Krishan Kumar. Hi, Ketan Gadvi. Good to see everyone here. So I guess I'll start with my session now. Hi, Rajiv sir. Or Rajiv. Who's Rajiv? Okay, Rajiv. Hi, Rajiv. Manish Kumar. Rajiv Sharma. Now I get it. How have you been, Rajiv? Namaste, Pratik Gaikar. Shakil Meman, welcome. Sameer Merchant, welcome. Jeet Singh, welcome. Praful Kumar, welcome. So guys, I'll start with my session now. Since it's a 1 hour session, later on, if you get time at the end, I would want you to come on cam one by one, I guess, because there's a limitation that I can just call one person at a time. So I'll call one by one if you can give your feedbacks later on at the end of the session. For now, you'll have to concentrate, be receptive. Hi, hey Abid, how you doing, Abid? Good to see you. Hi, Manish Kumar. So yes, जूम पे कब है प्रोग्राम? जूम पे भी चलता रहेगा. इट्स लाइक आई हैव बीन रीचिंग ऑल प्लेसेस लाइक थ्रू जूम और थ्रू फेसबुक लाइव और प्रॉब्ली इंस्टा. Oh, waiting. Okay, I have to wait. Chal, theek hai. I'll wait for some more time, Roshni. Deepak Rana is a spiritual healing session. Yes, Deepak. It's a healing session, Deepak. So I'm not interested in any job right now. Hi, Ashutosh Mittal. And Rajiv, how have you been? What's up? Okay, Bharat is coming. Cool. Let him join in. Let more people join in. Then we start. So guys, तब तक हम एक काम करें. You guys can, just be in the receptive position as I said, tongue to the palate, and either mentally or आप जोर से भी बोल सकते हो. Just chant Om with me if possible. Yeah. Take a deep breath and say Om. Avinash Dubey, hi Ajaz Hassan, good to see you. Hi Dushan Godia, welcome, good to see you. Viren Yadav, welcome. Thank you, Viren. It's a healing session, Shakun Rai. I'll be healing for anxiety and stress. This is very much needed these days because of the lockdown, because of COVID-19. So you know how it is. It's like people are all stressed up, all tensed. So it's kind of, this healing session will give you quite a relief from your mental stress, your emotional stress, so it's kind of a healing session for you guys. I hope people have joined in now. I think I should start the session. मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ. अजाज हसन, हाय अविनाश दुबे, निहाल किरण, हरजीत सिंह, दीपक वाघ. Hey Deepak, finally you're here. Hi Ashutosh Mittal. Thank you प्रेम कौरानी. वैसे ये ओमकार मंत्र सुबह सुबह करते हैं. मैं पहली बात आशुतोष जी, मैं मौसमी नहीं, मैं सोनल हूँ. मौसमी इज माई सिस्टर. दूसरी बात, ओम बोलने के लिए आपको कोई समय की जरूरत नहीं होती है. फिलहाल ये एक हीलिंग सेशन है. मैं आपको सिखाने नहीं आई हूँ यहाँ पे, मैं आपको हील करने आई हूँ. तो आप प्लीज रिसेप्टिव रहिए. हाय परमजीत सिंह, पुनीत कुमार वोरा. और ये गलत फहमी है कि हम एक भगवान का नाम या ये नाम या वो नाम सिर्फ सुबह ही ले सकते हैं, रात को नहीं ले सकते. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. थैंक्स अमित फॉर इन्फॉर्मिंग एवरीवन, ऑल द न्यू पीपल आर जॉइनिंग इन. या सो आई गेस आई स्टार्ट द सेशन नाउ. या let me ask. Oh, he'll join in, that's okay. Roshni, let him join in later on, if he's like late, because he knows the time, but अगर टाइम पे नहीं आए तो फिर क्या फायदा. So I think I'll start the session and let people keep joining in. It will still work. Thank you, Paramjeet. So guys, so I'll start with the session. Be in the receptive mode. Deep breathe. Tongue to the palate. आपकी tongue ऊपर touch कीजिए palate पे for 5-10 minutes. Yeah, and keep being receptive. So I'll start with the sessions now. I'll start with your crown chakras, which is like, from where you get the downpour of the divine energies. Hi Farhad, good to see you. Finally you made it, Farhad, from your busy schedule. Hi Sahil Dev, welcome. Yes guys, be receptive. Now I'm cleansing your crown chakra, yeah? I'm cleansing your crown chakra. But before that, just can you just prayer? It's better, you'll be more receptive if you say a small. मेरी वॉइस आती जाती रहती है. Guys, am I audible now? Can you hear me, guys? मेरी आवाज आ रही है आप सबको? Love Kapoor, welcome. I hope मेरी आवाज आप तक पहुंच रही है, guys. थोड़े आगे पीछे होगी, that's okay. It's all technical issues, so just bear with it as far as you can hear me, you know. So, guys, we'll say a small prayer before we start, yeah? To the Supreme God. You can just repeat mentally to the Supreme God, to all the holy gurus, all the holy masters, all the holy angels, archangels, healing ministers, all the invisible helpers, all the great ones. I'm invoking for your divine blessings and divine healing power. I just want you to cure all the people who have joined in my live session right now. These hands are your healing hands, God. I just want you to make them stress-free, get rid of their anxieties, and cure them physically, emotionally, mentally, psychologically, financially, materially, in every possible way. Bless all of us with illumination, divine bliss, divine oneness, with love, compassion, understanding, peace, with the divine healing. May your blessings be with us always. As I will, so be it, so be it, so be it. You guys can say, I am receptive. Just say, I am receptive. Each one of you will say, I am receptive. And yes, we are all spiritually one. Yeah, we are all connected. When we are all spiritually one, the energies get amplified. They actually multiply. Yeah. So all of you who are here on my session, we are all spiritually one. Inhale the blessings and exhale. Exhale and share the blessings with every part of your body to make it more receptive. Inhale the blessings, and as you exhale, share the blessings of your breath with your family, your friends, your relatives, your loved ones. Inhale the blessings and share it with all the people who are there right now in this group. So yes guys, now I'll start with the session. Keep your eyes closed, keep deep breathing. Yeah. I am cleansing your crown chakras. Yeah, your crown chakras are being cleansed. The divine energy is cleansing your crown chakras. It's getting rid of all the negative thought entities, negative elementals, negative thought desires, dirty psychic energies from your crown center. It's being cleansed completely. All the dirty use of energy, stress energy, emotional, suppressed emotions, pain, tensions, they're all coming out and being disintegrated right now. All the negativity is being cleansed completely. Energizing your crowns, guys. I'm just energizing your crown center now. Your crown chakras. Your crown chakras are filled with divine energies. The crown chakra, it's completely healed, completely energized with the divine energy. There's positive thought forms. There's positivity, love, compassion, understanding, peace. Peace and love for your family, for your loved ones, for humanity, for friends, for your own selves. There's inner peace, inner joy, love, compassion. Crown chakras are completely energized and all the blockages are completely disintegrated. So peaceful and happy. Stabilize, stabilize, stabilize. Now I'm going to work on your forehead chakra, guys. Your forehead chakra is being cleansed, completely cleansed. All the people who are there here, everyone's forehead chakra is being completely cleansed with brilliant divine light. All the negative thought and all the negativities, negative emotions, negative thought entities, negative desires, all the negativity, the pain, the stress is being completely expelled out and disintegrated right now. Your forehead chakras are completely clean. Energizing your forehead chakras, guys. Your forehead chakras are being filled with fresh, divine, universal energies. You're physically, emotionally, mentally, psychologically healed. There's positivity, love, compassion, understanding, peace, inner joy, happiness. Love for humanity, love for friends, families, love for your own selves. Lots of joy and peace. Your forehead chakras are completely energized. All the blockages are completely disintegrated. All the negativity is completely disintegrated. It's filled with positive thought forms. It's completely healthy. Stabilize, stabilize, stabilize. Working on your back head chakras now. Back head minor chakras. Cleansing your back head minor chakras. It's like here. Removing all the negativities, all the dirty used up energies from your back head minor chakras. Your back head minor chakras are completely cleansed. All the negative entities, negative thought desires, dirty psychic energies, negative emotions, pain, stress, pent up emotions are being completely cleansed. All the anxiety, fear, stress is being completely cleansed. Energizing your back head minor chakras, guys. It's here. Filling your back head minor chakras with positive, divine energies. It's being filled with love, compassion, understanding, peace, joy, courage, happiness. All the positive thought forms so that you have a successful life. Inner peace, inner joy, love for family, love for friends, love for humanity, love for your own selves. Lots of peace and joy. All the stress is disintegrated, anxiety, fear is disintegrated. It's only positive energy, positive thought forms. Your back and minor chakras are completely energized and healthy. Stabilize, stabilize, stabilize. Guys, I'm going to cleanse your ajnas, which is the main center where you have lots of thoughts coming in, all the negativity that you have, that you attract. So I'm just cleansing your ajna now. Just be receptive. It's between your eyebrows. Removing all the negative thought entities, negative elementals, negative thought desires, negative thought entities from everyone's ajna chakra. It's been completely cleansed. All the stress, negative emotions, pain, pent-up emotions from your ajnas are being cleansed. Completely cleansed, expelled and completely disintegrated right now. The whole ajna chakra, its roots, stem, petals, nadis, meridians are completely cleansed. All the negative emotions are completely out and disintegrated. guys, I'm going to energize your ajanas now. Again, I'm saying it's between the eyebrows. Just be receptive. I'm filling your ajna with divine energies, fresh divine universal energies. The divine light is entering every part of your ajna, all the organs connected to your ajna, your eyes, your brain. It's all being filled with positive divine energies. The positive thought forms inner peace, inner joy, love, compassion, understanding, peace. Love for family, love for friends, love for humanity, love for your own selves, love for life, inner joy, happiness, positivity. All the stress is being completely disintegrated. Pent-up emotions are completely disintegrated. You're feeling happy, joyous. Everyone's ajna is completely energized with the divine energy. It's completely healed. Stabilize, stabilize, stabilize. Now your throat chakras, guys. Cleansing everyone's throat chakras. Removing all the negative thought entities, negative elementals, negative thought desires, dirty psychic energies from your throat chakras. All the pent-up emotions, harsh words, all kind of negativity, pain, suppressed emotions are being expelled out from your throat chakra. Any kind of blockages regarding your finances are also being expelled out. All the negativity is being expelled out and disintegrated completely from your throat chakras. Guys, I'm going to energize your throat chakras with fresh divine universal energies now. Be receptive. It's your throat chakra. The fresh divine universal energies are entering your throat chakras, its root, stem, petals, its nadis, its meridians, all being filled and energized with divine light. The positive thought forms, positive words, inner peace, inner joy, love, compassion, understanding, peace for your own selves, for your families, for your friends, for your loved ones, for humanity. There's courage, positivity. Everyone's throat chakra is being energized with divine universal energy. It's completely healed. It's completely energized. Inner peace, inner joy, love, compassion, understanding, and peace. Stabilize, stabilize, stabilize. Guys, I'm going to work on your secondary throat chakra, which is a chakra here, yeah? I'm cleansing your secondary throat mana chakra now. Removing all the negativities, blockages, stress from your secondary throat minor chakra. Be receptive, everyone. Your secondary throat chakras are being completely energized with fresh divine universal energies. Hi Bharat, welcome. Join in. Hi Bhanu Pratap, join in. Just be receptive, guys, whoever joins in. Since we are all spiritually one, we are all connected, the energies are reaching you. Even though you are late. Your secondary throat chakras are completely filled with divine energies. They're completely healed and energized. There's positive thought forms, inner joy, love, peace, compassion, understanding, happiness. Stabilize, stabilize, stabilize. Now I'm going to cleanse your front heart chakras, guys. Your front heart chakra. You know, the heart chakra is like very important for all of us. All the emotions being there. Like when you feel love, you feel love. When you feel sorrow, you feel sorrow. So all the lots of pent up emotions in your heart chakras. So I'll start with your front heart, then I'll go to your back hearts. So yeah, I'm cleansing your front heart chakras. Hi Bharat Patel, please join in. Hi Bhushan, welcome. Hi Raspreet. So guys, cleansing your front heart chakra. Be receptive. Don't cross your hands and legs. Just a reminder, tongue to the palate, close your eyes and deep breathe. The front heart chakras are being completely cleansed. All the negative, dirty, used up energies, pent up emotions, fears, depression, stress, anxiety is being expelled out completely and disintegrated. All the negative thought desires, dirty psychic energies, negative thought forms, negative elementals are being removed and disintegrated from your front heart chakras. Any kind of suppressed emotions, pain and sorrow, anger, grudges are being completely removed from your front heart chakras. All anxiety and stress is being completely removed from your front heart chakras. Yes, Tommy, we are all spiritually one. Now I'm cleansing your back heart chakras, guys. I will not energize your front heart chakras due to various reasons, or else you'll feel heavy. I'm cleansing your back heart chakras now, removing all the negative thought entities, negative elementals, negative thought desires, dirty psychic energies from your back heart chakras, removing all the pent up emotions, negativity, pain, stress, fear, anxiety from your back heart chakras. All the dirty used up energies, pent up emotions are coming out and being disintegrated right now. Any kind of grudges that you have, any kind of anger that you have, it's all being removed and disintegrated. Any kind of blockages related to your love life, your financial life, are all being expelled out and disintegrated. All the blockages are gone. Hi Babar, welcome. Hi Pooja, welcome. Energizing everyone's back heart chakra. So it's like behind, front heart के पीछे जो back heart है. I'm just energizing your back heart chakras, yeah. All the root stem petals, inner naris, inner meridians, all the internal organs, your actual heart, it's all being energized through your back heart chakras with divine universal energy. Your back heart chakras are filled with divine love, inner peace, joy, compassion. Love, compassion, understanding, peace for your own selves, for your families, for your friends, for humanity, for all the loved ones. Love for God. Your back heart chakras also make you more receptive. All the pent-up emotions are completely disintegrated. There's courage, happiness, joy, lots of abundance, abundance of love, compassion, understanding, peace, financial abundance, good love life, positivity, inner joy, inner peace. Your back heart chakras are completely energized and completely healthy. Even your actual heart is completely energized and healthy through your back heart chakras. You're emotionally strong. Positive thought forms. Stabilize. Guys, I'm going to cleanse your solar plexus chakra. Solar plexus is something like, all the negativities, emotions, good, bad, everything, it just gets accumulated in your solar plexus. It's here, front and back. So all the negativities. Hi, Harvey Sidhu, welcome. Hi, Hidayat. Welcome, guys. Whoever's joining just now, just be receptive. So yeah, your solar plexus is a chakra where all the negative emotions and pent-up emotions, they just stay there, So I'm just cleansing your front and back solar plexus chakras now, yeah. First, your front solar plexus chakras, guys, it's here. Just imagine all the dirty used up energies being expelled out from your front solar plexus chakra. Removing all the negative thought entities, negative elementals, negative thought desires, dirty used up energies, dirty psychic energies are all completely expelled out and disintegrated right now from your front solar plexus chakras. Any kind of pent-up emotions, grudges, anger, all kind of blockages in your financial life, love life, personal lives, all the blockages are coming out from your front solar plexus chakras. Hi Sar, welcome. Hi Sneha. Sneha Asher. Hi Auntie, welcome. Hi Varun. Keep deep breathing, guys. Close your eyes. Keep deep breathing. Be receptive. Removing all the dirty used up energies, pent up emotions and grudges from your front solar plexus chakras. The dirty used up energies completely extracted, expelled out and disintegrated from your front solar plexus chakras. Now your back solar plexus chakras, guys, it's your back solar plexus chakra, just behind the front. Hi Sunil. What's up, Sar? Please be receptive, Sar. Sunil. Now your back solar plexus are being completely cleansed. All the negative emotions, negative dirty psychic energies, pent-up emotions, grudges, anger, any kind of blockages related to your love life, your financial life, all kind of negativities from your back solar plexus chakras are completely cleansed. All the blockages are completely removed from your back solar plexus chakras. All the negative thought forms are completely removed and expelled and disintegrated right now. Any kind of negativity is completely removed and disintegrated right now. Hi Meghna Arora, welcome guys. Hi Orisha Arora, welcome everyone. Please be receptive, guys. Guys, you're late, but it's okay. Energizing your back solar plexus chakras, guys. Filling it up with fresh divine universal energies. All the root stem petals, inner nadis, meridians, all the internal organs related to your back solar plexus chakra filled with fresh divine universal energies. Your solar plexus also takes care of your stomach, liver, esophagus, your pancreas and all. So lots of diseases that are emotion related, like diabetes and all, high blood pressure, they also get cured. When you're emotionally cured, your physical ailments also get cured. So energizing your back solar plexus chakras, guys, filling it up with divine energies. Every part of your back solar plexus chakra, all the organs connected, internal organs connected to your back solar plexus chakras are filled with fresh divine universal energies. There's positive energy, inner peace, inner joy, love, compassion, understanding, peace for your own selves, for your families, for your loved ones, for your friends, for humanity. All the negativity is completely disintegrated. This positive thought forms inner peace, inner joy, love, lots of love, compassion, understanding, peace. All the stress is completely disintegrated. All the anxiety and fear is completely disintegrated. Just feel joy, happiness, inner peace. The back surface chakras are completely filled with divine universal energies and completely energized, and they are healthy. Stabilize, 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 stabilize. Guys, I'm cleansing your sex chakra now. Akash Deep, I am from Mumbai. Guys, be receptive. All the negativities from your sex chakras are being completely expelled out and disintegrated. Now your basic chakra, guys. Basic takes care of your spine and lots of things like your bones and all. So I'm just cleansing your basic chakra. Also your finances and all. Cleansing your basic chakra, removing all the negativities from your basic chakra, any kind of financial blockages from your basic chakra are being completely removed, expelled out and disintegrated right now. The basic chakra, it's like a sacral, it's like your basic chakra is behind the tailbone, yeah. The dirty used up energy from your basic chakra is being completely cleansed. All the negativities, blockages, negative thought entities, negative elementals, all the dirty used up energy from your basic chakra is being expelled out and disintegrated right now. You'll also feel good in your spine. Energizing your basic chakras, guys. Just imagine your whole spine is getting brighter and healthier. The energy from the basic chakra is reaching your whole spine, your cervical spine, sacral spine, your whole spine is being completely aligned and completely getting brightened with the energy. I'm energizing everybody's basic chakra. With luminous white. Everyone's spine is getting healthier. Your cervical spine, lumbar spine, sacral spine, your tailbone, it's completely getting healed. Any kind of financial issues, negativity, blockages being disintegrated. Your basic chakra, everyone's basic chakra is completely healthy. Also your sex chakra, guys. I need to energize your sex chakras. Energizing everybody's sex chakra. Sex chakra is completely energized and balanced. All the negativities is being disintegrated. The only positive thought forms, positivity, inner peace, inner joy. Stabilize, stabilize, stabilize. Again, navel chakras, guys. I'm cleansing your navel chakras. Energizing everyone's navel chakras now. Navel chakra, you know your navel. Just be receptive. The navel chakra is completely healthy. All the negative thought forms are completely disintegrated. If you have any blockage, the blockages are disintegrated. Navel chakra is completely healthy. So guys, hope you enjoyed the session. The session is done. Hope you enjoyed the session. I would like to have your feedbacks. Till the time this live is on, I don't know till what time it will stay on, because Facebook Live I've never tried. I was always on Zoom. So yes, I guess it's for 1 hour. So there are few minutes remaining. If anybody just wants to come in and say your feedback, just you can type in your feedbacks here. I would appreciate your feedbacks. Like, how did you feel? How was the session? Any kind of difference. Every person has a different experience. You know, when you feel the divine energies and the colors that are put in, everybody has their own different experiences. You know, some people feel very light. Some people feel, you know, their negative emotions are coming out. Some people cry. Some people laugh. Some people feel the ecstasy. So it's all different emotions for everyone, you know. So you're just free to say your feedbacks through chats here. Also, if anybody wants to come in live on my cam, you can just say a few words, or probably make a video of how you felt it, and probably, you know, send a feedback, a selfie video with your feedback would be really great. And also your messages here and in inbox would be great. Anil, Kamardeep, Ajay, Harshit, welcome guys. Okay, Priya, that's okay. People who have joined in late, next time, yeah. So guys, hi Pramod. So yes, I would love to have your feedback on the healing sessions, guys. Please write in, probably. Naveen Nishchal ji, ये मेरा healing session है. I've got into healing and that's my main profession. So I've been busy with my healing sessions, busy with my patients, and this is the service that I do for people, for humanity. So right now I don't have time for my TV serials and all. Hi everyone, people who joined in late, you can join in next time. Hi Nupur, how have you been? How's life? Thank you, Bharat. Good to know that. That's really nice. You joined in late. Next time when you be on time, Bharatji, you'll feel much more better. Hi, Priya. Priya Panch. Hi, Priya Panchpatia. How have you been? Okay, you joined in late, Priya. That's okay. Next time, there's always a next time where you can, you know, feel the difference. People who have come in late, I'm just doing a shortcut healing for all of you who've just come in late. I enjoyed and felt very good. Thank you so much, Danish. That's really sweet. That's really sweet of you. Thank you so much. Guys, for next 24 hours, please avoid taking bath. Please avoid taking bath for next 24 hours. You know, the energies that I send you, you know, it's like it stays in your energy fields. It stays in your chakras. But if you take bath, they get washed away, you know. But it takes 24 hours at least to, you know, for your energy to get absorbed by your physical body. You know, if you want the energies to physicalize and materialize for you, you have to avoid taking a wash, a bath, you know, especially for next 24 hours. अगर 24 hours possible नहीं है, at least, you know, 18 hours avoid कर लो, 12 to 18 hours avoid कर लो. Yes, Priya, next time would love to see you. Hi, Diya Singh, good to see you. Guys, I guess whoever is late, please join in next time for my healing sessions. So yes, whoever is like, you know, taking the healing, please avoid taking bath for 24 hours. If not 24 hours, at least 12 to 18 hours, because the energies will stay in your energy fields, you know, and for it to materialize and get physicalized, it will take time. And once you wash it, if you wash your face, your head or your body, then it gets washed off, you know. So the energy gets wasted. Hi Jameel, Izhar Hussain, Praveen, Gulati, welcome guys. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the session. Anyone would love to come on cam and say a few words? किसी को आना है कैम पे? Thanks everyone, whoever took time to, you know, join my session. Yes, Bharat ji, okay. Bring Patel on, okay. It says adding, so I think it's adding.
Guys, you can type in your comments down, and probably whoever wants to come in. I have started adding, but Bharatji, I don't know, it's not getting connected. Now I can. Okay. Oh, there's so much of dark, but where there's no light. There's no light, Bharatji, on the light. क्या हो गया? I think there's some signal issues. Healing के बारे में बता, both in English and Hindi. In short, what you do in session. हाँ.
Chakra by chakra, you know, it's like chakra alignment. I remove all the dirty energies. मैं सारी आपकी chakras की, meridians की, आपके energy fields की, auras की, सारी negative energy निकालती हूँ. Divine energies से सारी negativity निकालती हूँ, and then I fill it up with fresh divine universal energies. Sometimes with colors, sometimes with the divine energies. So it's a mix of everything. So yes, guys, जब mass healing session होता है, it's very effective because the power is very much, everybody's together. But since I don't know your problems personally, you know, it will be a general healing for all of you. You know, आपकी बहुत सारी negativities निकल जाएंगी. But अगर आपके कुछ personalized issues हैं, अगर आपको कुछ personalized problems हैं, वो आप 1-to-1 healings में and time-to-time healing sessions में ही निकल पाएंगे. You know, because I don't know your problems. Some people have diabetes, some people have high BP, and the colors used for diabetes, high blood pressure, सबके अलग-अलग चीजें होती हैं. You know, some colors are used for someone, I can use it. For some people it's difficult. You know, it's dangerous to use some colors. So अगर मुझे आपकी personal histories मालूम होती हैं, तो मैं आपको personalized healing दे सकती हूँ. So yes, guys, you can anytime book in my sessions. You can message me on my Facebook Messenger to take my personalized sessions either through Skype or through Messenger or WhatsApp or whatever, you know, or through Zoom. Otherwise, I keep doing this service. Time to time मैं free service healings देती रहती हूँ for the public. Even for you guys to experience, because नहीं तो आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि क्या है, you know. So at least you'll have a better idea कि मैं कैसे आपकी energies की blockages cleanse करती हूँ, remove करती हूँ. ये healings basically काम आती हैं आपके सारे physical ailments को clean करने में, heal करने में, psychological ailments को heal करने में. All kind of physical and psychological ailments can be cured through healing. Healings are very safe. You don't have to take any medicines. There are no side effects. It's all pure energy healing, energy medicine that I give you in every chakra, and you will only get the positive effects, not the side effects, you know. So it's very safe for everyone, and safe for all the people who have lots of side effects with medicines, you know, like mental issues, like psychological issues. Medicines at times work, at times they don't, but healings will definitely work for all kind of issues, be it physical or psychological. I have patients, they come up with their, you know, tar in the lungs due to smoking. I have patients who are like heavy smokers and alcoholics, and they want to get rid of their addictions. Some people want to get rid of their gambling addictions, their internet addictions. All kind of addictions can be removed completely and permanently. So yes, but there are times, like, you know, takes time. Everybody has their own time slot. आपकी energy feels कैसे हैं, उस पर depend करता है कितना energy आप absorb कर पाते हो, कितने time में आपके clear हो जाते हैं feels. सबका अपना अपना टाइम लगता है. So make a FB page and people will join you randomly, both on Insta, FB. Yes, Danish, I will. I'm thinking, in fact, to make a page itself, you know, a FB page most probably. But then, you know, it's like I'm not getting time to do all that right now, because I've been like word of mouth publicity say, you know, I've been getting patients and it's difficult to manage everything. But yes, I will definitely try and make a page soon, and so that everybody will be able to join in easily through Facebook, through Insta. Hi Pradeep, Sandeep Kumar, welcome guys. I'm really happy to see you guys. Would definitely love to have your feedbacks in my inbox, either through your video messages or through your type messages, preferably video messages, and the next time I'll be able to connect more. You know, the more I get to know how you look, how you sound, it's easier for me to connect to you, to your energy fields, and heal you, you know. Yeah, my friend Roshni, she's my biggest client, you know. Roshni got healed, you know. She was like, you know, very much into smoking, and it was difficult for her to quit smoking. But then she really felt good, and she started with the healing session, she started feeling positive, and in few sessions, like, she started hating to smoke, you know, started hating cigarettes. So yes, it's very helpful to get rid of all kind of addictions, you know. Roshni, would you like to come on cam and say a few words? if you are comfortable to be on cam right now. Hi Pramod, hi Syed Abid. So yes, I have lots of people who have lots of health issues like diabetes, high BP. So few of my patients are bipolar patients. You know how bipolar is very difficult for people to, people who have bipolar, it's very difficult for them to, manage with their mood swings and, problems that they have when they are on their peak. So yes, healings help a lot in all kind of physical and psychological ailments. But yes, you have to take time to time healings. जैसे किसी किसी का 5 सेशन में हेल्प हो जाता है, किसी को 10 में होता है, किसी को 15 में होता है. ईच टू इट्स ओन गाइस. एवरीबडी हैज योर ओन टाइम लिमिट, बिकॉज आपके चक्रास कितने रिसेप्टिव हैं, आपकी एनर्जी फील्ड्स में कितनी ब्लॉकेजेस हैं, आपकी डिजीज या आपकी आदत कितनी क्रोनिक है, उस पर डिपेंड करता है कि आपको कितनी हीलिंग की जरूरत है. जैसे जैसे मैं आपको हील करती जाऊंगी टाइम टू टाइम, आपको भी पता चलेगा फर्क और मुझे भी पता चलेगा फर्क कि आपको कितनी हीलिंग की जरूरत है और कितनी आपको जरूरत नहीं है. Hi Chintu, Parth, welcome guys. Guys, I guess you guys are late for my session. Sure, Roshni, no problems. You can send the video later on. So guys, hope you enjoyed the session. Yeah. Preferably, again, I'm reminding, don't take bath. Avoid smoking हो सके तो. जो कि जब सेशंस करते हैं और नेक्स्ट 24 आवर्स तक आप स्मोकिंग, ड्रिंकिंग, अल्कोहल, स्पेशली स्मोकिंग, ड्रिंकिंग एंड बाथ अवॉइड करें तो बेस्ट होता है. I know for some people it's not possible to avoid, but then try to avoid. At least for a few hours you can try to avoid, if not 24 hours. Hi Chintu Shivastava, Parth Vasavada, welcome guys. So yes guys, next time be on time everyone, whoever is late, and sabhi ko healer Sonal Udeshi द्वारा, oh that's really sweet Amit, to write it in Hindi for everyone. Yes guys, this healing was need of an hour because सब लोग इतने stress रहते हैं because of the lockdown, because of COVID-19, बहुत tension रहता है. And I've been hearing patients saying that life is hell, ये वो, they get suicidal tendencies and all. So these healings will definitely help you out, make you positive towards life, make you cope up with all the stress that is around us right now. And it'll keep healing you. Once your chakras are aligned, you'll be in a happier mood, healthier. You have a healthy body, healthy mind. So it's very helpful for each one of you. Though it's a mass healing session, it's helpful, and one-to-one is definitely much more helpful, because it's like a personalized healing where I know every disease of you, every problem that you have. So hope you guys enjoyed, and 24 hours. हाँ दानिश, 24 आवर्स नहीं तो एटलीस्ट 12 घंटे तक अवॉइड कर लो. It's better for you. It's like you will feel better, you'll feel difference. You actually feel the difference. कुछ घंटे तक भी अगर आप अवॉइड करोगे तो एटलीस्ट सम एनर्जी विल गो इनसाइड एंड फिजिकलाइज. बट दारू से तो एकदम से एब्जॉर्ब हो जाएगी, स्मोकिंग से भी काफी हद तक वो हो जाएगी, वॉश अवे हो जाएगी. हाय सिद्धार्थ जैन, गुड टू सी यू, वेलकम. How do I do healing? Yes, Tommy, basically, it's all energy healing, I remove all the dirty used up energies from my patients, auras, chakras, health rays, their meridians, organs. So I remove all kind of blockages. Some patients have heart blockages, some people have energy blockages, some people have physical blockages. Any kind of blockages in your chakras will give you any kind of and every kind of physical and psychological disease. It leads to addiction, and all the negativities will get attached to you more and more. So once I cleanse those, once I cleanse your physical body, your energy body, your mental body, your astral body, once I cleanse that, once I cleanse your chakras and make your chakras align and fill them up with divine energies, your chakras will get aligned, your auras will become bigger, you'll be mentally, physically stronger. Once you become mentally, physically stronger, all your ailments, be it physical, be it psychological, you get rid of all those ailments. Some people take time to get healed. Some people get healed very instantly. Like Roshni, she's been very receptive with my healings, and like her addictions just went off in I think 4 sessions, and yeah, there are patients like who get healed in like 4 sessions. Some people take 5 sessions, some people take 10 sessions. It all depends. Some people take more time, some people take less time. Like diabetes and all, I can understand. You know, it's a very chronic disease for people. So diabetes में कितनी बार बहुत ज़्यादा time लग जाता है. Like at least 1 month किसी को लग जाता है, किसी को 1.5 महीना, किसी को 2 महीना. But it's cured permanently from roots. Bipolar will definitely gets cured from roots, but then it takes time. You know, there's some ailments. जैसे addictions बहुत जल्दी निकल जाते हैं ज़्यादातर. But some of my patients have lots of tar in their lungs due to cigarette smoking since their childhood. You know, I have old patients जिनके tar जमा हो गए हैं. They have lots of coughing issues and all. Coughing and all वो भी clean हो जाता है. tar निकल जाता है through energy healings. Like energy fields clean हो जाती है तो physical body अपने आप clean होना शुरू करती है. Any disease or any addiction, it first hits your energy fields. It will first hit your energy field, your auras and chakras, and then it will get physicalized. So if I clean your energy fields, your chakras, your auras, your energy body से जैसे ही वो clean हो जाएगी, your physical body will start getting healed. You know, so it's all connected, guys, and every chakra is connected to, you know, like your solar plexus is connected to your emotions and everything. And that if you are emotionally down, you'll tend to have diabetes, high blood pressure, kidney ailments. You know, so everything is connected. So once everything gets cleansed, you'll start getting healed. Dire need. I'm learning, Raj. I'm most interested in dire. Yes, Tommy, you're most welcome to take my sessions. Whenever I go live, you'll be informed. And you can also connect me through Facebook, Messenger or Insta, wherever you're comfortable. And you can definitely book 1-to-1 healing sessions from time to time, and you'll definitely get healed, guys. ऐसी कोई बीमारी नहीं है जो heal नहीं हो सकती है, you know. So yes, just be positive about life. I will follow orders. That's really sweet of you, Danish. Danish Soni, that's really sweet of you. Thank you so much. Last night I dreamt that a lizard entered my room. Oh, you have weirdest dreams, Sandeep Kumar. Okay, that's you, Sandeep. I just realized that's you. I hope you reached on time, Sandeep. I don't know, मैंने आपका नाम अभी देखा. नहीं, पहले भी देखा. I guess you were here. I'm good, Ravinder. Hi, Vijay Chaudhary. Hi, Sarvagya Rock. Arunade Nath. Welcome. Welcome, guys. Guys, I guess जो भी late आए हैं, they have missed my healing session, but there's always a next time. I'll keep having lots of healing sessions for friends and families, and for all my Facebook friends and Insta friends. Yes. So yes, we'll close the session now. Hope you enjoyed it. And I would definitely appreciate your feedback in my inbox through your videos, your selfie videos, or probably through your messages. Yeah. And next time I'll be more receptive. Like you guys will be more receptive because I'll be more connected to you. By hearing you, by looking at you, I'll be more connected. So guys, I'll switch off the live now. And it was lovely seeing all of you here. Take care. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I don't know, where do I switch it off from? सबको थैंक यू जो भी मेरे सेशन में आए, पहले आए, बाद में आए, बीच में आए हीलिंग के. थैंक यू एवरीवन जिसने भी टाइम निकाल के मेरा हीलिंग सेशन लिया. एंड यू गाइज हैव अ ग्रेट नाइट अहेड. गुड नाइट, स्वीट ड्रीम्स टू ऑल ऑफ यू. Okay, finish here. Okay, bye everyone. Good night. Take care. Love ya. Oh, Gautam. Good to see you, Gautam. कब आया तू? अभी आया गौतम. You missed the session. Hi Janardhan Aarti. Hi Anurag Maurya. Good to see you, Gautam. Guys, everyone, जो भी late आए, next time please be on time and take the benefits of the session. It's very much needed these days. Thank you, Janardhan. That's really sweet. Thank you, Sandeep. Bye. Take care. Thank you, Tommy. God bless you too. And thanks, guys, everyone. Thanks for taking out time and be here. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. I'll keep you informed and keep you posted with the next sessions. Yeah. Love ya. Bye-bye. Yeah, Gautam said he was late. It's okay, but next time. There's always a next time for all the people who came late. Because it's like, you know, you miss something good, but then next time you can take the benefits. Thank you, Danish. That's really sweet. Thank you. Bye bye, everyone.